Coming at you live from the Mumford Restoration Shop in Raleigh, North Carolina, it's the Mumford Dating Game. Here's the star of the show and your host, Spencer Mayton.
Hey, this is Spencer with Mumford Restoration, and we're here today for the Mumford Dating Game. And this is the game show where we bring in an expert that knows a lot about furniture. We're going to have him date some furniture. And let's introduce that expert from Raleigh, North Carolina. This is Bernard Mumford.
I'm excited. I'm ready.
Come on up.
Right,
come on up. I know you've been waiting your whole life for this.
I've been waiting my whole life to do this.
Oh my God, this is great.
This is
Bernard,
awesome.
tell us a little bit about yourself and why you're qualified to date the furniture.
I have no idea.
All right, very good. We're going to start with piece number one. We're going to unveil this, and we're going to need you to date the furniture.
All right. This is a platform rocker from about 1918, right after the First World War. And you see how it rocks with springs. It's made in walnut, and it's been reupholstered. A fabulous job of reupholstery. I would say a valuable piece just right after the First World War.
Audience, what do we think? All right, very good, very good. That was piece number one. Are we ready for piece number two? Ready for piece number two.
Now see, this is a more refined East Lake Victorian piece. You see it has more turnings, and it has this pointed finial. This is about 1895 to 1900. Very nicely made, also in walnut, with a lot more detail than the other one. So I think we're right before the turn of the century. What do you think, guys?
Audience! And the audience weighs in, and I think they're on board with what he says. We're having a good time here on the Mumford Dating Game, and we'll be right back after these messages.
Does your sofa need a new look? Maybe a repair or two? Well, at Mumford Restoration, we can help. We specialize in restoring your treasured pieces and family heirlooms. For over 40 years, we have been working miracles to restore family memories.
Well, thank you so much for joining us this week on the Mumford Dating Game. We hope you join us next week for more episodes and more furniture. Until then, this is your host, Spencer Mayton, saying, have a great day.
The Mumford Dating Game is a Mumford Restoration production.